Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Learn Math with Syed Ali. So today we will be doing exponent in fractions again. So this time we will be dealing with some powers like fifth root or sixth root or fourth root. So for example, if we have 3, 1, 2, 5 to the power 1 over 5. So we learned in the last video that 1 over 5 means question is asking fifth root of 3, 1, 2, 5, right? And we can do it by calculator. Now we learn another knob or another button in calculator from where you can take this fifth root directly. So how? You can see here the calculator. This we done in the previous video, which is the square root and the cube root. Now you can see that this button, which is x to the power, if you want to take any power of x, right? So you can press this button, but on top of this, you have another button which is in red, which says that, how it is indicated, which says that a square, right, which is any number, and a hollow square, right? So any number, right? So how to use this one, this button? We will learn today how to use this button, right? So this button is used as, my question is fifth root of 3, 1, 2, 5. So if I want to take fifth root, I will press 5 and then I will press shift and this button. So it's saying that now I am going to take fifth root of some number. What is that number? 3, 1, 2, 5. 3, 1, 2, 5. So that's 5. So my answer here is 5. And we use that number, that sign, to take the fifth root of 3125, which is 5. And the understanding is that if you multiply 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, like 5 times, right? So you can get that number, right? So when you are taking fifth root, actually you are making group of 5. So here we have group of 5 and my answer will be only 5. If I want to multiply it, like 5 times 5 is 25 times 25 times 5 is 25 times 5 is equals to 125 times 5 is equals to 625 times 5 is equals to 3125. So you learn how to get the fifth root of any number, right? We'll take another example and you will be solving it. So take another example for 1024. So if we have 1024 to the power 1 over 5, right? So we have to see, we can write this as fifth root of 1024. And we know the button, which is like this, right? Which is like this. And it's again the shift function. But before shift, you have to put down the number, which root you are taking. So you are taking fifth root. So you press 5 first, fifth root, and then shift, and then this sign, the red, which I told you already, 1024 of 1024, 1024. So if I take 1024 and then equals, and my answer is 4. So I will say that fifth root of 1024 is equals to 4. And what does it mean? It means that if I want to take fifth root of 1024, I have to multiply 4 5 times, right? If I break this and group it like 5 times, my answer is 4, right? So now we learn that how to use this sign to calculate any cube after cube root, fourth root, fifth root, sixth root, any number of the root. So you have to press that number first, and then you have to use this sign, which gives you, and I also put it here, right? So it's in the red, so I can make it in red for you if you want. So yeah, so on the calculator, this sign this sign is any root after cube root, right? Fourth root, fifth root, sixth root, seventh root, whatever the sign, right? So if it is like under the root, any question, let's take another bigger example, and you can calculate it by calculator now. So if my question is 81 to the power 3 by 4, 81 to the power 3 by 4. So what does it mean? It means that this numerator 3 is the power of 81, right? It is the power of 81. But this 1 over 4 is your fourth power, 1 over 4, right? So you have to take fourth root of 81 cube, right? Technically, if I want to do it by mathematics without calculator, I will say 81 is like 9 times 9 times 9, right? 81 cube. I can say 81 times 81 times 81. This is 81 cube. And then further I will break it. 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. Right? 9 nines are 81. So I can break it like this. But still I cannot get the 4 grouping of 4. So I have to break further. Because what I am looking at is grouping of 4, because this 4 is indicating me that I have to take fourth root. So now I will break everything by 3 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 by 3. Everything will be further break down, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. So 3 times 3. Now I have to make group of 4, not 2. In square root we make the group of 2. In cube root we make the group of 3. Now is the fourth root, so I have to make the group of 4. So this is one group of 4. This is second group of 4. This is, no, it's up to here. This is second group of 4, right? And this is fourth group of 4. So if I want to take the fourth root of this number, I have to make the group of this. So I have now 3 times 3 times 3, right? So what I have now, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, right? Now I already grouped it, so this 4 is gone, right? So my answer is 3 times 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So my answer is 27, right? I already grouped it. So I already grouped it, right? So it's 3 into 3 into 3. And when I take it 4 times, so I have 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So that's how I get my fourth root of this question. But I can also do it by calculator. So what was that? It was 81 to the cube. So you can take 81 cube separately, or you can do 81 cube, right? So 81 cube, you can calculate 81 cube here, but you can also do it like fourth power. So what I said is like press fourth first, because you are going to take fourth power, then shift, then this sign, and what? Fourth power of what? 81 cube, right? So you will say 81 times 81 times 81. This is what you are looking at, right? And when you press the equal sign, you will get 27, same answer. So now you are good. You don't have to do all this math. You can press the button and you can get that. But how to use it? First press this power, whichever the fourth root, fifth root, sixth root, and then shift, and then this function, right, which is right here in the red. Whenever there is a red function, you have to press second function or the shift button. In certain calculators, there is a shift button. Here it is shift button. Sometimes it says second function. All those functions in red are second function, or you can get them by shift button. So hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button. Thank you for watching.